In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Yahoo Mail. It's a simple process but one that can make a big difference in how you're perceived online. We're going to walk through the steps together, so don't worry if you're feeling a little unsure. Let's get started. First things first, we need to access the Yahoo Mail login page. So, open up your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other, and type in the address for Yahoo Mail. Once the page loads up, you'll see a prompt asking for your Yahoo email address. Go ahead and enter your email address in the provided field. It's really important to make sure you're entering the email that's associated with the account you want to modify. This makes sure all the changes will be applied to the correct account. Once you've double-checked that you've entered everything correctly, click on the Next button. This will take you to the next step in the login process, where you'll be prompted to enter your password. Enter your password carefully, avoiding any typos that could delay the process. If security is a concern, and it should be, make sure you're in a private space where others can't see your screen while you're typing this in. After your password is entered, click the Next button again. Now, you'll find yourself at your Yahoo Mail dashboard. Before we can make any changes, we need to access the account settings. Look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Account Info. This will lead you to a new page where you can adjust your personal settings. Once you're on the Account Info page, focus on finding the Personal Info section. It's usually pretty easy to spot. Now look for your current display name. It should be there in the section, shown alongside other personal details. Right next to your name, there's an option to edit it. Click on this option to modify your name. This is where you can enter your new name. Be mindful as you're typing, because this new name is what people will see when you send out emails. After you've entered the name you want, make sure you click Done to save any changes you've made. This final step is crucial. If you overlook it, none of your changes will be updated, so ensure you do it. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your name on Yahoo Mail. I hope you found this guide both easy to follow and comprehensive. Changing your online identity might seem like a small step, but it can significantly enhance and manage your online appearance.